In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile Square payments in Xero. Reconciling your Square payments in Xero makes sure the money that lands in your bank account is accurately reflected in your books. Square usually pays out in daily batches and often deposits a net amount after fees, so the goal here is to locate that payout in your bank feed and confirm it's been recorded correctly in Xero. Start by opening Xero and signing in. From your dashboard, head to the accounting menu at the top. This is where you'll find the tools you need to manage your bank activity and keep everything aligned with your actual bank statements. Next, choose Bank Accounts. This page lists every bank or settlement account you've connected. Find and open the business bank account that receives your Square payouts. If you use a dedicated Square clearing or settlement account, pick the one that matches where Square deposits arrive. Otherwise, select your main operating account where the deposits hit. Inside the account, you'll see your bank statement lines. Your task is to find the Square transaction you want to confirm. Look for a description like Square, SQ, or similar wording used by your bank. Keep in mind that Square batches multiple sales into one deposit, and the amount is typically the net total after fees. If you're matching to your sales records, it helps to compare the date and amount to your Square payout for that day. You can scroll through the feed or use the search and date filters to narrow it down quickly. If your setup includes a Square to Xero connection, you may notice that Xero has attempted to identify or match the payout automatically, but you still want to verify the details line by line. Once you've located the Square deposit and confirmed the amount and date look right, move over to the reconciled view for this bank account. Clicking into the reconciled area lets you double-check that the Square payout has been marked as reconciled and is no longer sitting in the list of unmatched statement lines. Seeing it in reconciled means it's already been accounted for in your books and tied to the correct bank line. If you don't see it there yet, it's simply still awaiting reconciliation in the main statement view, and you can come back to confirm it once it's been processed. That's it. By navigating to your bank account, locating the Square payout, and verifying it in the reconciled view, you ensure your Xero records mirror your real-world bank activity. Keep an eye on daily batch timing, weekends, and holidays as those can shift payout dates slightly. Consistency here will make month-end reviews faster and cleaner.